Hey guys, Mark here and Chloe.
Hi.
And Chloe has set up a New Year's Eve special crawler course. Have a go at this, guys. Look at this. This is her little New Year's Eve special for the channel. What a little champion. Hodio. So we are going to give this course a lash. Let's go, guys. That's it, good girl. Ah. Reset. Up you go.
Just yank it there.
Nice work, chicken. Good girl. That's it. Back her up a bit and give it a run. That's the way. Go right. Oh. Reset.
Yeah.
Rightio. That's it. That's the way. Where are you going? Oh, up the bridge. Oh, he's up. Oh, it's getting thinner. Just wait, Chloe.
Oh, sorry. Step.
Come on, power down. Back her up.
I'm stuck.
You're nearly there. You're nearly there. Oh, Good recovery, chicken.
I just have to make it there.
That's it.
I'll just go like this.
Righto. Next challenge.
Yeah? That's it.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, it's a thin bit of wood. It's not so easy, that task.
This isn't easier. I don't want to.
Chloe's trying to negotiate the tyres at the moment. Now she's onto the board. Oh.
One wheel on it. Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's a big challenge, this one. This last one's pretty big. Oh. Oh, bit of teamwork, give us a nudge. Oh, that's the way.
I made it easy peasy.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I already passed it.
Rightio, now we're down into the tunnel, is it, Chloe?
Yep, continue.
Oh, the tunnel's pretty tight.
Hey, don't make it fall over. Right.
Righto, so now we got to go left here, is that right, Chloe?
Mm-hmm. Otherwise, I'm not doing the trick.
Tell you what, this is a pretty good course, Chloe. You've done really well.
Yeah.
It's pretty tricky.
Not really for me.
Oh,
I made it
righto.
hard for you, but I made it easy for me.
That's right, I forgot that you're a legend.
I always was secretly. Okay. See, look how good I am.
Alright, okay, stop there. Alright, so now we've got some tricky little rocks, is it?
Not tricky.
Oh, if you go over them wrong, you could fall over.
I made you. I found them just for you. Then move it. And still. No one cares about that rock. That rock or something.
Oh, not such a legend now, when you're running into all the obstacles. No wonder you're so good, you just move them out of the way.
No, I don't.
Right, so next move is around this tyre, is it, Chloe?
Mm-hmm.
Righto. And no touching it, is that what you said?
I think so.
Or you've got to go back to the start, isn't that what you said?
No, you have to turn from it. You have to really turn. You have to turn.
Yeah, I am, but we can't turn sharp enough.
Well, not we. You. I can.
Oh, well, you wait till you have a turn.
Okay, I will.
Now, let's see if you're going back to the start for touching the tyre.
Hey, I didn't make that up. It was the other things.
Oh.
You can get that.
Hey, you got to get around this tyre without touching it.
And what if I do?
You got to go back to the start, you said.
I did not say that, actually.
What are you doing? Where are you going? You're running off course here.
I can't. I'm just making my way around the tire.
Yeah, but you've gone onto the other side of the track to avoid it.
I'm gonna kiss. Am I? Sniff, sniff. Now you're making stuff, right? Ugh. You should have a friend job. Ugh. Yeah, my man. And time for teamwork.
Oh, right. Good stuff.
Go. Done.
Good. Oh, back her up. Back her up. That's the way. Good work, Chloe.
Okay.
Now, see how you're going to go. See if you can get over it. Oh, just ploughed through there. Alright, next obstacle is we've got to go through the chicane of Witch's Hats. Is that right, Chloe?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh, this is tricky.
If this trigger for you, it's going to be easy peasy for me.
Oh, let's see. This is tricky. Oh, wow. That was a really good challenge, that one, Chloe. So here we go. We're up to the...
Here you go. Now, baby.
Yeah, hang on.
Go.
Alright, guys, here we go. This is the last leg of the challenge. No RC car has made it up this ramp. That was before wheel weights and suspension mods, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go. See how we go. And yes, that's correct. We have a Perspex ramp. All we got to do is get the front tyres up there.
Oh, look, there's
Oh, so close.
And we got visited by a dinosaur up there, too.
Let's have another go.
Yeah. Let me have a go.
Hang on. You have a go. Your turn.
At least
Oh,
I made it.
no way.
At At least I made it. I was the first one to make it.
You made it easy.
Yeah,
So how come your car will do it and mine won't? So let's have another go. Hey?
Yeah. Right, I'll have another go.
Yes!
Yay, you made it.
And we've made it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Thank you so much for supporting our channel throughout the year. And thank you so much for the start of 2020.
Yeah.
Or the year that we've kicked off. And thank you for all the comments, the love, the feedback. Thank you so much, guys. And we're looking forward to 2021, aren't we, Chloe?
Yeah.
See you guys. Have a great new year. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Bye.